Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting the engine and scene ready. Switch to cycles for physically accurate reflections. If you must use EV, turn on screen space reflections and refraction. Next, load an H-Dry into the world shader to supply true environment lighting. This is what your reflections will show. Once done, set Filmic View Transform and a working resolution like 1920 by 1080. Use at least 16 preview samples so you can see changes. Make sure your camera and objects are positioned before making materials. Now you build the material that creates reflections. Add a principled BSDF and reduce roughness toward 0 for sharp reflections. Raise metallic toward 1 for metal surfaces. To control reflectivity by angle, mix shaders using Fresnel or layer weight. This gives realistic edge highlights. Plug a roughness texture and a normal map to introduce micro detail, because small surface variations scatter reflections. Make sure nonmetals keep metallic at 0 and tweak IOR only when using glossy nodes. This explains why some materials look wrong otherwise. Finish by tightening render settings and testing. In cycles, raise samples to 128 or higher and enable denoising. Increase max bounces and glossy bounces so reflections resolve. For EV, boost SSR quality, screen space traces, and activate contact shadows to avoid floating highlights. Once rendered, composite exposure and glare if needed. If reflections appear blurry or incorrect, inspect your normal maps. Confirm roughness textures are plugged correctly, and rotate the H-Dry. Often the issue is environment placement rather than material math.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.